Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to change Windows 11 taskbar color. On Windows 11, by default, the Start menu and taskbar use the light color scheme. And while you can always switch to the dark mode, you can also change the color to anything you want. However, the process to change the accent color for these elements is not straightforward, since you must be using a specific color mode before the option to switch colors becomes available in the Settings app. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Personalization from the left side list. Click on Colors. Go to Choose Your Mode option. Click on the drop-down list. Choose Custom from the list. Choose if you want your Windows default mode and default app mode to be light or dark. Scroll down and choose the color that you want. Turn the switch on next to Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar option. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!